If you've ever wondered how to take full control over which files OneDrive syncs or backs up automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through absolutely everything you need to know to disable the sync backup feature in OneDrive on Windows. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to stop automatic backups of folders like desktop, documents, and pictures, and what to do with files that are already in the cloud. Let's jump straight in. First, to change your backup settings, we need to open the OneDrive settings menu. Look at the bottom right of your screen, that's your taskbar notification area. Depending on your system, you'll see either a blue or white cloud icon for OneDrive right down there. Sometimes it's immediately visible, but it's very normal if you don't see it right away. If that's the case, just tap the little upward arrow to show hidden icons, that's where it likes to hide. When you spot the cloud, right-click on it. This is important, a regular left click only opens your OneDrive folder. We want the extra menu, so make sure to right-click. In the menu that pops up, click on the gear-shaped settings icon, then click Settings one more time. This will open the full OneDrive settings window. Alright, with that window open, you're probably seeing several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Sync and Backup. This is where OneDrive keeps all the options related to what's automatically uploaded and mirrored between your computer and the cloud. If you think of your computer like a house with different rooms, this tab is basically your control panel for deciding which rooms get cleaned up by the OneDrive robot and which don't. Now let's actually customize what's being backed up. Look for the Manage Backup button, usually somewhere near the middle of the window. Go ahead and click that. OneDrive will show you a simple overview of which important folders, typically desktop, documents, and pictures, are currently set to backup or not. You'll see toggles right next to their names. For each folder you want to stop backing up, simply click the toggle to switch it off. Maybe you only want to keep your documents in the cloud, but not your entire desktop. Or perhaps you prefer handling your backups manually, totally your choice. Take a moment to double-check your selection. You won't lose files immediately, but this is the moment to decide what content you want managed automatically. When you flick a toggle off, OneDrive will ask you to confirm. It'll pop up with a prompt that says Stop Backup. Don't worry, this is a safety net, just in case you clicked by mistake. When you're sure, click the Stop Backup button to confirm. It's perfectly normal to feel a little cautious here. If you change your mind later, you can always re-enable backup for any folder. Before we finish, here's something essential to know. Once you stop backing up a folder, any files that were already synced to your OneDrive account will stay safe in the cloud. However, changes you make to those files on your PC won't upload automatically anymore. If you don't want certain files left in your online OneDrive folder, you can move them back to a different local folder on your computer. That's totally up to you. Think of this process as taking control of steering your own ship, rather than letting OneDrive do all the navigating. And that's it. You've just taken charge of your OneDrive backups. If you found this helpful, please drop a like below, and if you have any questions, maybe you're running into something unexpected, just pop a comment underneath and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.